Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Nur Ashim binti Sabir, metric number 273358. So today I'm going to present executive summary and business summary sections for Aurora Bakery. 5 members of our group. So these are the content that we're going to present. First of all, I'm going to present executive summary and then followed by business summary, market analysis, and implementation, and the last one, financial plan for our business. Okay, first of all, we go to executive summary. Okay, what is business plan? Business plan is a written document that describes every detail of the business of our business that will be so much helpful in planning stage to give to help the business to achieve its goal. So these are the 3 objectives of business plan to Aurora Bakery. First is to identify the business focus. The business plan to Aurora Bakery is serve as a roadmap that can help us to establish our plans in the future. And then next, to understand the scope and value of business to investor, lenders, suppliers, employees, and customers. For example, like in order to secure the funding, this business plan is one of the way to make investor and banks to have the knowledge about our revenues, expenses, sales forecast, and so on, and also it can help them to see if they can have a return on the investment or not. So next we have to we want to identify all the information and resources needs by the business in each section of business plan. For example, like what are our supply information, customer target, sales forecast, and profit that will have that should be known in order to run the business smoothly. And then we go to the business value. Okay, business without a value with a value is really not a business. Why? Because with having a clear business value, it will be so much helpful to ensure that all the employees are working toward the same goal. Okay, so these are the 4 business values of Aurora Bakery. First, empowerment. Empowerment meaning that in order to achieve Aurora Bakery's goals, all the employees must work together as a team. So how with giving a manager have to give authority to workers. So in Aurora Bakery, we basically give employees chance to use the creative ways in either they want to how to decorate the cake or how to decorate the cafe, in order to make the customer feel satisfied and attract the attention. And then adaptability. Adaptability is meaning that the preparation of strategy to face unexpected changes. So basically in Aurora Bakery, we always make early planning 3 or 2 months before the special day, such as Mother's Day or Father's Day, on how our cake should look like, our cafe decoration, and so on, to make the customer to surpass the customer expectation. And then integrity is actually the most vital values in the business world, because it reflects the reputation of the business in the business world. Okay, meaning that we have to tell the truth even if it's ugly. So in our bakery, we always make sure that we tell the truth, through information to the customer regarding our ingredients of the cake, because some customer, they have to be careful with the ingredients because they have some kinda like allergic. So with the true information, it will be so much helpful to them. Okay, and then the last one is quality. Quality meaning that all the products must meet all the standards, requirements, and specification for legal and medical reasons. So in our bakery, we always make sure all the cakes buy from the most trusted seller with the healthy ingredient, that approved by the legal and medical reason. And then we move to the business summary. This is our business profile. Name of this Aurora Bakery. We are located in Alosta, Kedah. Our main objective of business is to provide and meet customer expectation with selling various flavors of cake with reasonable price, and to have some advantages with other competitors, to have such harmonious relationship with customers, and so on. And next we move to the management team. There are basically 1 manager and 4 workers currently. Okay, manager job is the person in charge in providing the business planning with the best strategy for short run and long run, and also the one who manage and monitor all the financial statements and budgeting. 4 workers, they are the person in charge of Aurora Bakery in monitoring and managing daily operations, and help manager in making decision and provide the best customer service. So this is our vision and mission. Our vision is to be the well-known bakery shop in Kedah one day, and is to serve various flavor of cake that brings special joy to everyone. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hazimah binti Zakir and my metric number is 277304. Our company is Aurora Bakery. and I'm going to present the part 3 of our business plan, which is market analysis summary. Market analysis summary divide market segmentation and also market needs. The first thing is we need to know what is marketing. Marketing provides information on markets, consumers, competitors, and other market factors. And of course, marketing is key in every business, especially for keep sustain our business and to compete with other brands. And it also assesses relationship between demand or supply for a certain goods or service. So next is market segmentation. There are 4 market segmentation that Aurora Bakery look into. The first is demographic, psychographic, and third is geographic, and the lastly is behavioral. Okay, so we'll look into first. The first is demographic. Demographic focus on variables such as age, ethnicity, and gender. Aurora Bakery sells 10 different flavors which are suitable for all age, genders, race based on their preferred taste. And the second is psychographic. We look into social class and also lifestyle. So social class categories of upper, middle, and lower classes. Why it's important to look for the classes? Because we need to know the income level and also the spending habits of our customer. Affordable price of Aurora Bakery can attract attention of people from different levels. And lifestyle students most likely to spend time at cafe. And the third is geographic. Geographic, it implies the grouping of potential customers by nation, state, area, city, or even neighborhood. Aurora Bakery located in Alostar, Kedah, which is main city of Kedah. Why we choose Alostar as our business place? It's because the intensity of person who live in city, they are likely want to buy cakes rather than bake themselves because it's more easier and faster. And the last of market segmentation is behavioral. Behavioral separates individuals into categories that have pattern of behavior in common such as loyalty oriented, user oriented, and etc. Aurora Bakery makes sales promotion on special days. So next is the second part of market analysis summary, which is market needs. First is Aurora Bakery is in monopolistic competition market. Aurora Bakery sets price that are affordable and can compete with other brands. By doing surveys through social media platforms such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, and Google Form, we know what customer needs, such as more decoration for cakes, sale promotions, available of delivery and self-pickup service. By doing this survey, and Aurora Bakery takes some action. And the first thing is Aurora Bakery hire workers who have special talents in art of decoration for cakes. Second, Aurora Bakery listened to customer needs and decided to do delivery service. And we also provide Food Panda, GrabFood, for more easier to our customer. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Fatih binti Zaha. So today I want to present about sales forecast and implementation. Our SWOT analysis is first, strength. We use social media platform to promote our product. Our box cafe is a strategic location. So our weakness, we have lack of marketing skills such as in promotion and something else. We also limited reputation. And opportunity, we have high demand on specialty, which is in Mother's Day or Father's Day. And we have various flavor of cake. Our threat, we have a competitor strategy which is in their promotion skill, and we have lower demand for cake because not every day people will eat cake. Okay, next, our marketing strategy, we have 4, which is product, price, place, and promotion. First, product. Product is a good or services to fulfill the market needs. Aurora Bakery sells various flavor of cake because various flavor can attract customers since they have a different taste of cake. So next, our price. Price is amount of money that customer pay as an exchange to get goods or services. Aurora Bakery provide an affordable price, which is 25 per cake. We also beware of competitor price to set our price. Next, place. Place is process of moving product from producer to user. Aurora Bakery it has a strategic location which is in city of Alusta, Kedah. We also can easy to get contact with supplier regarding to the delivery time and able to secure new customer every day. Promotion. Promotion is make an any offer to attract customer to purchase. Aurora Bakery is using digital marketing, personal selling, and sales promotion to promote our product. So next, our promotion. Promotion is make any special offer to attract customer to purchase our product. Aurora Bakery is using digital marketing, personal selling, and sales promotion to make the product stand out among other brands. So next, our sales forecast. In January to March, Aurora Bakery could sell 500 units of cake per month with a price of 25 per unit. Sales increased by 100 units per month in April to June from the previous month. Starting in July, the demand for cake began to stabilize and we could sell 750 units every month. In October to December, the demand and sale of this cake soared up because of our supplier make a big sale by making discount up to 50% at the end of the year. So Aurora Bakery used this opportunity to sell our cake at discount price. So we could sell 900 unit in 3 months. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Nur Nadia Atira binti Muhammad Noor, matric number 272616. I will discuss about financial plan for Aurora Bakery. Aurora Bakery said the total fixed cost for a month is 6,000 ringgit, which include rent, utilities, salary for 4 employees, salary for the owner of the company, payment for loan, advertising, and packaging box. Then, the total variable cost is 13 ringgit per unit of cake, which include purchase price from supplier of the cake and freight in. Last but not least, Aurora Bakery said the selling price for a unit cake is 25 ringgit. So, here is the CVP analysis that we calculate to determine the break-even point, which the total cost equal to the total revenue. This graph shows that break-even happened when Aurora Bakery sold the 500 unit cakes at 12,500 ringgit of sales. At this point, company will get zero profit. So, Aurora Bakery must sell more than 500 unit cakes because that is above the BEP point where total revenue more than total cost and there is a profit area. To summarize, the company must aware where is their important benchmark, which is BEP, to maintain their business can run in the long term. Next, for sensitivity analysis, or we call it what if analysis, which is we can see how the changes can affect profit. So here, we test sensitivity analysis on changes in selling price of per cake and quantity sold of cake in each quarter. Assumption for quarter 1, all the actual data are in the yellow box. If we increase the units sold and increase the selling price, we get profit more than the actual data. But if we decrease the units sold to 1,250 unit cakes and the selling price still the same 25 ringgit, we will get loss. Next, assumption for quarter 2. If we decrease the units sold and the price remain the same, we still get the profit. But if we decrease the price, we will get loss even though the units sold are increasing. It is same goes to assumption for quarter 3. Lastly, assumption for quarter 4, if we reduce the selling price but increase the unit sold of cake from the actual data, we still get the profit. But if we decrease the unit sold, we will get loss. Next, I will show you the statement of projected profit and loss for the year ending 31st December 2020. For the statement of projected profit and loss, we sold about 1,500 units cake in quarter 1, which is 500 units for each month. Then, the quantity of units sold are increasing for the next quarter, which is in quarter 2, the total sold are 1,800 unit cakes, which is 600 units for each month. In the month of July, August and September, we sold about 750 unique cakes every each month, and the total for quarter 3 are 2,250 units. Next, in quarter 4, the total we sold is 2,700 unique cake, which is 900 units for each month. Then, in variable cost, there is cost of goods sold, where the cost per a cake is 13 ringgit. So, the total for variable cost in each quarter based on their units sold. Next, for the total fixed cost remain the same for each quarter, which is 6,000 ringgit. At the end, the net profit for quarter 1 is 0 because the revenue and the cost are equal. Next, in quarter 2, the net profit is 3,600 ringgit. In quarter 3, the net profit is 9,000 ringgit. And the last quarter, the net profit is 14,400 ringgit. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Munira. I will present about projected cash flow, projected balance sheet, and also business ratio for Aurora Bakery. First, I will present projected cash flow. Cash flow is used to evaluate cash inflow and cash outflow for an upcoming period, usually a year. It's really important for a business because if the business is run out of cash and not able to obtain a new finance, it will become insolvent. So, see the item in the statement of projected cash flow. We have beginning cash balance, cash received, cash disbursement, net cash flow, and also ending balance. As we can see, cash received is immediate cash inflow. We have sale, we have bank loan, and also capital. And in the cash disbursement, we have purchase, we have cost of goods sold, rent, utilities, salary for owner, payment for loan, advertising, packaging board, equipment, and we calculate in total cash disbursement. And for ending balance, we can see at a quarter 4 that we transfer to balance sheet, projected balance sheet as much as RM 25,000. Next, projected balance sheet. Projected balance sheet also known as a pro forma balance sheet that lists business asset, liability, equity for specific future time. As we can see here in statement projected balance sheet, we have asset, current liability, also owner equity. In asset, we have non-current asset, equipment 10,000, current asset, cash 25,000, and total asset will be 35,000. And also for liability and owner equity, current liability we have bank loan 7,000, owner equity capital 1,000, net profit 27,000, total owner equity 28,000, total liability and owner equity 35,000. Total asset also total liability and owner equity must be the same. The last one is business ratio. Business ratio it is measure company ability to meet financial obligation. We have 4 type ratio. We have liquidity ratio, activity ratio, financial leverage ratio, and also profitability ratio. In liquidity ratio, we have current ratio. The figure that we got in current ratio is 3.57 times. It means Aurora Bakery has RN 3.57 in every asset for every RN1 liability. And next one is activity ratio. In activity ratio, we have total asset turnover. The figure that we got in total asset turnover is 5.89 times. So it means Aurora Bakery can turn over its total asset 5.89 times per year to generate the sale. Next is financial leverage ratio. Okay, in financial leverage ratio, we have debt ratio. The figure we got is 20%. That means this value shows that Aurora Bakery has financed 20% of its total asset with debt. And also for equity multiplier, we got the 1.25 times. So the value also showed that Aurora Bakery has total asset Rn 1.25 for asset for every Rm, 1 equity capital. And the last one is profitability ratio. So in profitability ratio, we have profit margin. The figure we got is 13.09%. That means that Aurora Bakery can generate 13.09% for every RM1 in sale. That's all from us. Thank you.